Hi everybody, my name's Ken. I have recently embarked on a new hobby, a new obsession, if you will, and it's drones. So what I've done is I've gotten a couple of these things. I've been practicing, filming and everything, and I said, boy, I'd really love a place to go and to edit these videos, film some of these tutorials. And I thought, hey, I'm gonna build a studio, someplace that I can go and just edit in quiet or film in quiet. Okay, and that's what this build is. And I thought, what better time to start creating content than right now? If nothing else, I'll get better at editing, I'll get better at filming, I'll get more comfortable in front of the camera. And I could invite you folks along for the build, okay? So here it is. This is where we are. I'm really sorry I didn't get you right in from the get-go, but I'm not too far along, so we got a lot to do. It's a 12 by 24, got some vaulted ceilings in, wiring's done, insulation's halfway done, and we've got the ceiling done. So that's where we are. I knew lighting was gonna be important, so I put these recessed LED pucks in. There's 8 of them in here, and I think it does great of getting rid of all the shadows. We're gonna have some accent lighting in here as well, and hopefully maybe some sound enhancing or sound dampening materials, maybe to get rid of some of the reverb in the room, which doesn't sound bad, but you can hear it. It's a little bit bright in here. So there you go. Okay, my name's Ken. We're gonna do progress videos on the studio, maybe mix a couple drone videos in there, and I look forward to you coming along for the ride. Thank you so much.